Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. In my 40s, I definitely started to notice a huge difference in my hair. Thanks to this awesome shampoo and conditioner from Restore, Recover, and Grow, I've noticed a big difference in how my hair feels, how it's responding to the product, as well as how much fuller that it feels. The shampoo and conditioner work so well together. First of all, even though this shampoo doesn't have anything harsh in it, I love how much that it lathers. I really feel that it cleanses my hair, gets right into the root of my hair. It doesn't have any burning and it does not have any particular scent. Rather, it just really cleans my hair very thoroughly. Although it lathers up really well, it also rinses really well and gets you prepared for that awesome conditioner to follow. I leave the conditioner in for a few minutes and then rinse my hair out and then style as usual. Again, I don't notice any particular scent to the conditioner. Rather, it's just a really clean feeling, leaving my hair really soft. I've noticed in the past few weeks of using it that my hair feels healthier, it feels shinier, my scalp feels cleaner. Even my hairdresser noticed a big difference in my hair and she kept commenting on how shiny that it looked. I really feel that it's as a result of using the shampoo and conditioner set. But with this shampoo and conditioner, I'm noticing a big change and I really love how healthy that my hair feels. But that's just my point of view.